everyone, welcome back to my channel, Melika. Today I just came back to school. As you can see in my background, I have my school, and I just came to continue with studying. But now that I'm going home, I'm remembering to just hold on to the promises of God. This verse that I'm going to talk about today is not necessarily a promise. It is just a verse that God talks about in order for us to be cautious about the things that we do, the things that we say, and everything that we decide to participate in our lives. It is Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verse 14, which says, "For God shall bring all works into judgment, and every secret thing, whether it be good or evil." So this is paraphrased. You can go and read it for yourself. It is Ecclesiastes chapter 12, verse 14. When we read this verse brings us and our attention to the very things that we say and do every day, and what we participate in our lives, whether it be good or whether it be evil, for us to recognize that God is going to bring everything into judgment, whether the judgment is going to be based on messages or what we know and what we have understood to be good or bad. God shall bring all things unto judgment. So when I take it to me now, what does this mean to me? This means I must be very cautious about my walk in life. When I'm walking in life, I must have almost a reason for everything that I choose and decide to do. Unless, of course, it's something that I do and say without knowing what the import of it actually is. But the very things that I do understand and I know, especially as Queen of Amman for America, there are many things that I hold on to that I do because of what I believe in the Word of God, and that is going to be called to judgment. That is the type of work and the type of understanding that I should look at and focus on when I look at this verse. So, guys, this is scary. Everything we do and say, it is brought into judgment. And well, I pray that God may help us to, if we do things, maybe do it for the sake of righteousness' sake, so that when they are called into judgment, we're not found in the side that is thrown in the fires of hell, for example, but rather on the side that is the heavenly Ghana, even if we have our shortfalls as people. So that is just my encouragement today, and just a word of caution, and for us to just beware of the very things we say and do. If you like more content on what is in the Bible for our lives and how we move about in our day-to-day lives with the Lord, then like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.